Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the best tools to help you get the job done right. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best cordless belt sanders on the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for powerful portable tools, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Greenworks BEG401 cordless belt sander. The Greenworks BEG401 cordless belt sander offers a solid mix of power, convenience, and user-friendly features that make it an appealing option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Powered by a 24V lithium-ion battery and equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this tool promises enhanced runtime, durability, and ease of use. In this article, we'll break down its key features, highlighting the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right tool for your sanding needs. Pros: powerful performance with brushless motor. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides up to 50% more runtime compared to traditional motors, running the sanding belt at 850 FIM. This makes it highly efficient for sanding large surfaces quickly and consistently, while also extending the tool's lifespan. Cordless convenience. Being cordless, it offers excellent portability and freedom of movement. No more dealing with tangled cords or being restricted by power outlets. This is especially beneficial when working in areas where access to electricity might be limited. Quick sandpaper changes. The tool-free belt release system allows for hassle-free and quick sandpaper changes. This is a major time saver, especially during projects that require multiple sanding jobs or changes between grits. Adjustable pommel handle. The front pommel handle can be adjusted into 5 different positions, making it easier to find the most comfortable and effective grip for any job. This feature also improves flush sanding performance, providing more control over the tool. Removable dust collection bag. Equipped with a detachable dust collection bag, this sander helps maintain a cleaner work area by capturing dust and debris. Although not a replacement for a full dust extraction system, it offers a practical solution for smaller sanding tasks, keeping your workspace manageable. Enhanced battery performance. The 24V lithium-ion battery provides 20% more power and 35% more runtime than other models in its category. This means less frequent charging and longer work sessions, delivering fade-free power throughout. Cons: limited battery life for heavy-duty tasks. While the 24V battery offers enhanced power and runtime for particularly heavy-duty or extended sanding projects, the battery may need to be swapped or recharged more frequently. This could interrupt the workflow, especially if you don't have a spare battery on hand. The Greenworks BEG401 cordless belt sander is a well-rounded, powerful tool that offers excellent cordless convenience, quick paper changes, and great adjustability with its front pommel handle. It's perfect for those who need portability and efficiency, making it ideal for home projects and light professional use. Coming in at number 4, we have the Craftsman CMCW223B cordless belt sander. The Craftsman CMCW223B cordless belt sander is designed to make sanding tasks easier and more efficient for DIYers and professionals alike. With features such as a brushless motor, variable speed settings, and tool-free belt adjustments, this cordless tool offers convenience and performance. Below, we'll dive into its pros and cons to help you decide if this belt sander is the right tool for your needs. Pros: brushless motor for high efficiency. The Craftsman CMCW223B features a brushless motor that delivers up to 950 feet per minute FEM. This results in a high material removal rate, making it ideal for tackling tough sanding jobs quickly and efficiently. The brushless design also means reduced wear and tear on the motor, leading to longer tool life and better performance over time. Variable speed settings. Equipped with 5 variable speed settings, this sander allows you to adjust the speed depending on the material and the task at hand. Whether you're working with delicate surfaces or harder materials, the ability to fine-tune the speed ensures greater control and precision. Improved handling with 3-position auxiliary handle. One standout feature is the 3-position auxiliary handle. This design improves ease of use and control, allowing you to adjust the handle position to suit your comfort and the specific angle of your work. This ergonomic enhancement makes prolonged use much easier on your hands and wrists, reducing fatigue. Dust management system. Keeping your work area clean is a breeze with the Craftsman CMCW223B, as it is airlock and dust bag compatible. This means you can attach either a dust bag or hook up a vacuum system using the airlock feature to capture dust and debris as you work. This minimizes cleanup time and helps maintain better air quality in your workspace. Cons: battery life and charging. Being a cordless tool, the battery life may be a concern for users working on larger projects. Depending on the size of the battery you're using, batteries are sold separately. You may need to stop frequently to recharge, which can slow down your workflow. Additionally, you'll need to invest in Craftsman's 20V battery system if you don't already have one. The Craftsman CMCW223B cordless belt sander is a versatile tool perfect for light to medium sanding tasks thanks to its brushless motor, variable speed settings, and convenient features like tool-free belt adjustments and a 3-position auxiliary handle. While it excels in portability and ease of use, its limitations in battery life and raw power might not suit those who need a tool for industrial-grade projects. Nevertheless, it's a solid choice for DIYers and professionals looking for a reliable cordless sander. At number 3, the Milwaukee M18 cordless belt sander. The Milwaukee M18 cordless belt sander is a high-performance tool designed for fast and efficient material removal, especially for users looking for cordless convenience. With its powerful motor and intelligent technology, it brings some of the capabilities seen in corded sanders to a cordless format, ideal for contractors, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts. Here's a breakdown of its features, followed by its pros and cons. Pros: cordless power and portability. The M18's cordless design offers unmatched flexibility for working in areas without easy access to power outlets. This portability is especially useful for on-site projects or tasks that require mobility. Brushless motor for high efficiency. The PowerState brushless motor provides significant power, mimicking the performance of an 8-amp corded model. This motor ensures faster material removal, making it a top choice for professionals handling demanding jobs. Advanced RedLink Plus technology. Milwaukee's RedLink Plus intelligence offers excellent tool protection by monitoring the performance to prevent overheating, overloading, and over-discharging. This feature ensures the longevity of the tool, even under heavy-duty usage. Variable speed control. The variable speed dial 1350750 SFEM allows users to adjust the belt speed based on the material they are working with, providing better control and precision. This is useful for both coarse material removal and fine sanding tasks. Quick belt changes. The tool-free belt change lever minimizes downtime during projects, allowing for quick and efficient belt replacements. This feature enhances productivity, especially for professionals who need to switch belts frequently. Cons: weight. Cordless tools with robust batteries and powerful motors tend to be slightly heavier than their corded counterparts. This can lead to fatigue over long periods of use, especially for overhead or intricate work. The Milwaukee M18 cordless belt sander is an excellent choice for those who value power and flexibility in their tools. Its brushless motor and advanced technology allow it to rival corded models in performance, making it a go-to option for professional carpenters, contractors, and serious DIYers. However, the tool's limitations, such as its belt compatibility and the typical drawbacks of cordless devices, may require some consideration before purchasing. If you need portability, power, and reliability, this sander is worth the investment, but be prepared to spend a bit more for these premium features. In the second spot, we have the WEN20418 cordless belt sander. The WEN20418 cordless belt sander is designed to cater to the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a compact and versatile sander. With a powerful 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and several user-friendly features, it's a tool that promises efficiency and convenience. Here's a detailed breakdown of its key features, along with a look at its pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Pros: cordless convenience. The cordless design of the WEN20418 provides maximum mobility, allowing users to move around freely without worrying about power outlets or tangled cords. This makes it ideal for working in tight spaces or on large projects where mobility is crucial. Variable speed control. With a speed range of 400 to 1,150 feet per minute, the WEN20418 offers precise control over the sanding process, making it suitable for a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. Ergonomic design. The lock-on power switch reduces the need to keep the trigger pressed, minimizing hand fatigue and making the sander more comfortable to use during long sanding sessions. Quick and easy belt changes. The quick-release belt tension lever allows for hassle-free belt changes, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Battery compatibility. The 4.0 amp battery is compatible with other tools in the WEN20V Max series, which is a great advantage for users who already own WEN cordless tools, as they can interchange batteries without needing to purchase extras. Cons: potential for overheating. Continuous use at high speeds could potentially lead to overheating, especially during intensive sanding tasks. Users should take breaks to avoid straining the motor. The WEN20418 cordless belt sander is a versatile and portable tool suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. Its cordless design, variable speed control, and compatibility with the WEN20V Max series make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. However, users should be mindful of its limitations, such as battery life and lack of dust collection, especially if they plan on using it for heavy-duty applications. Overall, this sander offers good value for those seeking a balance between power, convenience, and performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt DCW220B cordless belt sander. The Dewalt DCW220B cordless belt sander is a versatile and highly functional tool that stands out due to its cordless operation, making it ideal for various job sites where portability is essential. This review will go over the features of this sander and provide a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros: portable and cordless. The cordless design offers unmatched flexibility, allowing users to work in spaces without power outlets or manage large projects without being tethered to a cord. Precise speed control. The 25-speed increment feature provides a high level of precision, enabling users to adjust the sander's speed for different materials and applications. The lock-on trigger is especially useful for prolonged sanding tasks, preventing hand fatigue. Quick and easy sandpaper changes. The quick-release belt change system speeds up the process of changing sandpaper, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Ergonomic design. The over-mold auxiliary handle makes two-handed operation more comfortable, improving control over the tool and reducing user fatigue during extended use. Effective dust collection. With the dust collection system, you can ensure a cleaner workspace, reducing the need for additional cleanup. The compatibility with Dewalt's airlock system or standard 35mm dust extractors is a big plus for professional users who prioritize safety and cleanliness. Wireless integration. The wireless tool control allows you to connect the sander with Dewalt vacuum systems easily, offering an advanced way to control the dust management system without physical interaction, adding convenience to your work process. Cons: heavier than some alternatives. Due to its solid construction and cordless nature, the Dewalt DCW220B is slightly heavier than some corded models. While this adds to its durability, it can lead to hand fatigue during long, continuous use. The Dewalt DCW220B cordless belt sander is a well-rounded, feature-rich tool that excels in portability and precision. Its cordless design, variable speed settings, ergonomic handle, and efficient dust collection system make it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. However, its higher price point, reliance on Dewalt's ecosystem, and the lack of an included battery might be drawbacks for some users. Ultimately, if you're already invested in Dewalt's ecosystem and need a reliable, portable sander with precise control and good dust management, the DCW220B is a great option.